Imagine this, you're making $12,500 every single week and you're not even actively working. That's the power of passive income. But I have to be honest, passive income is a lie in many ways. There's no such thing as pressing a secret button and then sitting at the beach all day making $1 million forever. However, what you can do is put an X amount of work up front into a project and then earn money from it months or even years down the line without doing any extra work. And that's exactly how I make $12,500 every single week as of right now. So in this video, I'm gonna reveal to you how I make passive income on YouTube and give you all the details you need to set this up for yourself. Because yes, watching me show you the numbers and seeing me make this money might be fun and motivating, but trust me, it will be a lot more fun when all of that money starts ending up in your pocket as well. So with all of that said, you've probably heard the saying that the average millionaire has 7 income streams. And so now you expect me to come up with this whole list of things that is making me passive income. But to be honest, that is really not true. I only have 2 sources of income that I really consider passive, and that is it. However, these 2 income sources pay me extremely well. Now, my first passive income source is ad revenue from my YouTube channels. Now, in a second, I will share with you my best performing videos ever, which have generated quite some money. But first, let me explain to you why I even consider this a form of passive income. Because a lot of people will say, Youri, yeah, AdSense revenue is fun and it comes in, but you have to upload a lot of videos and continue to upload videos to make money from it, right? Well, yes, in most cases, that is very true. However, with the type of channels that I run, this works slightly different. With AdSense revenue, once you have put in the initial effort to make your video and upload it, you can continue to make money from that video years down the line without putting any extra work into making that video. You create or you own something that generates results even though you don't put any extra work into it. Now real quick, if you want to grow a business like I did myself and you want to do it faster than me, you need to stop guessing what is going to work next. Instead, you need smart marketing insights like the ones you can get using today's sponsor, which is SEMrush. As you're about to find out in today's video, keywords can make you a lot of money. SEMrush helps you find the best keywords online to attract the customer you want. They have indexed over 25 billion keywords, which you can filter by transactional intent to help determine which ones to target. And that actually comes in very useful when you're trying to build passive income on YouTube. SEMrush will use the data to help you figure out which content topics are the most relevant for you. From there, you'll also be able to optimize that content within just a few clicks using their AI technology. You'll also be able to peek at your competitors' marketing strategies so that you can learn from them and see what's already working. So with more than 55 digital marketing tools, you'll get all the data you need to truly grow your business. So if that sounds interesting, you can go to my link, trysemrush.com/Youri, to get a 14-day free trial and start finding these keywords that will unlock massive growth for you. And so with all of that said, let's take a look at some actual numbers of videos that I uploaded. So this video right here is uploaded in the summer of 2020 in August. And what you can see is that over that 4-year period, it just continues to get views every single day. Even right now in September 2024, this is still getting 300 views a day, which is turning into a couple dollars or sometimes even $2 every single day. So even though this was uploaded 4 years ago, in the last 28 days, this still made me $21. Now, $21 on itself is not life-changing, but imagine you've got 100 videos like this. That would mean that all the work you did 4 years ago is still making you $2,100 a month. And that's exactly what I do. So in here, I'm in the back end of one of my channels, and I put the publish dates on the 31st of December 2019 up until the 31st of December 2020. And from all videos uploaded within that year, which by now is over 4 years ago, in the last 28 days in 2024, I have generated $2,406.71. So this is pretty close to a full-time income from videos that were uploaded in 2020. And that was just the overall channel. Let me show you a couple examples. So this video was uploaded on the 6th of September 2020. It had a very slow start, and then once it started picking up traffic, it pretty much continued to do so over the last 4 years. Where right now this video gets about 800, 900 views a day, and sometimes it even makes me $5 in one single day. The same goes for this video. It had a very slow start, uploaded last year in February, but right now it's actually starting to peak. Once again, making $3 or $4 every single day. The same goes here. Once again, this one had kind of like a fast start, I would say, and now it's slowly dipping down, but still, it is generating revenue, a couple dollars every single day. One of the craziest examples for this is this video right here, which is uploaded in the beginning of 2021, so 3.5 years ago, and right now just continuing to pick up steady views every single day, and it makes me a lot of money every single day as well. In the last year, I have made $5,000 from just this video alone. In the last 90 days, I have made $1,000. In the last month, I have made $286. And in the last 7 days, I have made $71. So on average, this video makes me $10 every single day, and this video is made 3.5 years ago. So I hope you're starting to understand how this can be passive income, even though you have to upload YouTube videos. Once they're out there, they can generate money for years down the line. And what you might notice as well is that some of these pay me a lot compared to the amount of views that I'm getting. And that is because they're optimized to get a high CPM, which basically means the amount of money that advertisers pay to get in front of these videos. So in a lot of these videos, I cover business topics, software topics, finance topics, so that I don't even need a lot of views to still be generating a lot of money. However, how do I make sure that these videos can get views and make money sometimes in 4 years down the line? Because this will not work with just any video that you upload. Well, it's actually quite simple. All I do is focus on creating evergreen content. And that basically means that a video you make today can still be relevant 5 years or even 10 years down the line, so that when people see it by then, they can still watch it because it's still relevant. Now, usually this is the case with tutorials, how-to guides, finance advice, product reviews, and there's actually a lot more out there. But when you start uploading these videos, just think about the fact, okay, is this something that people will still watch 5 years down the line? If the answer is no, then you might want to consider not uploading it if you're trying to build this passive income stream. And then the next question you might have, Youri, how do you get like such steady graphs? Well, all of that is part of my SEO strategy. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. And on YouTube, which is a search engine as well, there's over 3 billion searches done every single month. So if you can get just a tiny percent of that traffic, you can be getting views like I get and making money like I make. And so I just only shared a couple of individual videos, but let's take a look at my actual full channels. So as you can see, this is one of the channels which in the last 28 days has made 4.6K, and this is pretty steady. Like every single day it's roughly the same. In the last year, this has made close to $100,000. Then I've got another one right here which pretty much makes $5,000 a month. This is one that I picked up and started growing in the end of 2023, which as you can see, I did quite a great job at that. It kind of grew pretty fast and now it's just slowly growing. But in the last 365 days, this made $37,000. Then I've got another one right here that makes around $10,000 a month. In the last year, this channel has made $150,000. And so all of these channels with just the AdSense revenue makes me about $1,000 a day. Let's call it 7K a week. But that was only the first income source. As I told you earlier, there's another one, and this one makes me about $5,000 or $6,000 every single week as well. And it's actually growing faster than my AdSense revenue, and this is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service from another company, and every single time you bring them a customer, they will give you a commission, a piece of the sale. What I started doing in April 2023 is that within these videos that I uploaded, I started including affiliate offers so that when people would watch that and go to that product and buy it, I would earn a commission. I can be earning affiliate commissions years down the line from videos that I uploaded in 2023. And so that's really why it's considered passive income, but it gets even better because with affiliate marketing, some companies pay recurring commissions, which means that if the customer that you refer to them continues to use the product, which usually is with software, they will continue to give you the commission as well. And that's what I have with one of the affiliate programs that I promote right here. You can see that I've brought in close to 1,000 customers out of just 4,000 clicks. So my videos convert really well. But if I go to the details for this affiliate program, we can see some of the actual earnings. Now you can see that today so far, I have made $14, but I have 0 customers, which means that that is someone that came in earlier, but they're still using the product and I'm still getting paid for that. But you can see that with a very minimal amount of clicks, I'm actually getting a lot of customers and I'm generating some nice revenue. If I just go to the last 6 months right here, you can see that these are the numbers that I've been making with just this affiliate program alone. And let me tell you, for this affiliate program in the last 6 months, I might have made 2 or even 1 video for it. And so all this money continues to come in even if I don't actively work on this. And so now that you see that revenue, you might be wondering, Youri, where do you find these affiliate programs? I just go to YouTube, I start watching a bunch of YouTube videos in my industry, and then I see what other people are promoting, and then I check out if they have an affiliate program. If they do, then I can potentially start promoting that. What I recommend you do is you go to these affiliate networks and you start scouting through the offers, which could be Partner Stack, Impact, and there's probably a bunch more out there. You can also go to a website that showcases all the brand new AI tools and then research those, as these often have good paying affiliate programs. However, with all of that said, let me give you the ultimate guide to setting up passive income on YouTube. In my opinion, the best way to build passive income on YouTube all starts with making sure that all the content you upload is evergreen, which could be general advice in a specific topic. It could be a how-to video, it can be a tutorial, a product review, anything that is not correlated to the time that we are currently in. Then when you do this, make sure that you turn on monetization on your YouTube channel so that the ad revenue will continue to come in. But more importantly, which I found out the hard way in only 2023, 3 years after starting this whole thing, make sure that in your videos, you're monetizing it with either an affiliate offer or even your own product. And that's really it. But I understand that in this video, I just explained to you why I consider this passive income and I showed you some results. However, if you want to learn how I get these videos to rank with my SEO strategy, I've actually made a full free 1-hour course for you. It's up on YouTube. I'll put the video right here. Check that out, and then I'll teach you exactly for free how you can rank these videos on YouTube so that they can generate revenue for you years down the line. I will see you right there.